Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel subscription on Canva. So as you can see right here, this is the interface of that. So basically Canva, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right. And then you're going to scroll a little bit down till you find the settings, click on it. Basically, you're going to be able to see in your settings right here, you're going to see your account, login, security, message preferences, privacy settings. Scroll a little bit down right here until you find under your people the billing and plans. Here you're going to see all the subscription plans that you have and the credits that you actually have on Canva. So scroll a little bit down as well, and you're going to be able right here to see the subscription to your team. A Canva version is free, so I'm not actually I didn't subscribe to any didn't upgrade my Canva Pro membership. So if you did, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see in the same button of your subscription, click on it. Basically you're gonna be able to see a button that allows you to cancel that membership, and then you're gonna tell them why that you want, of course, to cancel that Canva membership, and then basically you're gonna be able to cancel it once and for all. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.